Hello everyone, this is lecture 15 of class 7th of chapter 1, the number system. In previous lecture, we were doing some activities in which we had to convert decimal numbers into binary numbers. The first number was 21 and we had to convert it into the binary number. Now the second question is 42, which is a decimal number, and you have to convert it in the binary number. So in same way you will do as we have done with the 21. Now the last question of this activity is the 56.78. I am going to tell you this one, how will you convert in binary form. Now note down the number 56.78 and separate the parts. After the point it will be the fractional part, and before the point it will be the integer part. So firstly we will separate the integer and fractional part, and one by one we will convert in the form of binary number. So firstly we will convert 56 means integer part into the binary. So integer part we will convert same as the 42 or 21. We will divide 56 by 2 until we are not getting here 1, means until we are not getting 1 in the last. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, the remainder will be 0. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder will be 0. 2 7s are 14, remainder will be 0. 2 3s are 6, remainder will be 1. 2 1s are 2, remainder will be 1. Now note down from the bottom to top all the digits. 1 1 1 0 0 0. Now this is the equivalent of 56. After that we will convert the fractional part. In fractional part we will note down only the fractional part 0.78, and we will multiply it by 2 until we are not getting the 0 in the fractional part. 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, plus 1 15. Now you are getting here 1, so note down 1 in the right side. Again take the fractional part of here and multiply it by 2, then you will get here 1.12. So note down the integer part here and again multiply fractional part by 2, you will get here 0.24. Note down the integer part and again we will get here 2.24, multiply it again, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4.0. Note down the 0 here. So it will go long, so we will consider only the 4 digits. So you will write from top to bottom 0.78 equal to 1100. So now if we will combine both the parts, then it will be like this: 56.78 decimal number 11000.1100 will be equivalent to this one in the binary.